guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video, guys, we're going to show you guys where to find the thermostat on BMW. Okay, that should cover, guys, most BMWs from 2006 to 2013 model, especially the US models, the 6-cylinder. Okay, if you have N52 N53 engine, looks like that, guys. They put it in 3 series, BMW 5, X5, X3, so you can expect it in quite a few models. Now we have E90 model, okay, right here, and we'll show you where the thermostat is located. It's a little bit unusual place, so stay with us and I'll show you where it's located. We'll have a video how to replace it too. It's coming very soon. Now let me show you guys, just to introduce you guys, we have a new channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. Okay, right here. Please, guys, subscribe. It will mean a lot to us. We're trying to grow it so we can put more videos, electrical videos, for any cars and BMWs as well. So if you look at the engine, guys, okay, you know, on the older engine the water pump was on the front, okay, right here. It was belt driven and the thermostat was kind of like about right here. So some people say it's here, but that's not the thermostat. There is nothing here. And I'll tell you why, because we just replaced that hose because ours was in a wreck and it got broken here, so no thermostat there. Also, okay, when you start following the hoses, you can see that all the coolant hoses, they go right here in that black box. Okay, so this is, guys, your thermostat. Okay, right here you can see this is the electric water pump, and this is the thermostat. Everything goes right there. So we'll have a video how to replace it. I just ordered the parts. Now if it's an automatic transmission, you have one more little thermostat for the transmission, and it's this one right here. This is the transmission oil cooler right here. You can see those are the transmission lines, and coolant goes through it, okay, and comes out through this hose, goes back in the radiator. And or the other way, actually, from the radiator this way. I don't know exactly which way it goes, but this thermostat, guys, when the transmission oil gets hot, it opens so coolant can go through it and actually cool the transmission a little bit. So that's where your main thermostat is located. That's where the little one is located. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.